So today is such an exciting day. Me and my fiance are closing on our house and we are so excited that we found the one. We're actually at the house right now, but I'm like standing in the corner just to not give too much away. I am gonna be doing a full house tour in this video, obviously an empty house tour. So if you just wanna see that, I'll put the time right on the bottom of where the house tour starts, but we are doing our walkthrough first. So our real estate agent just let us in and we kind of have to go through the whole house, make sure everything's working, the lights, the water, the air condition, everything like that, walk through the property. And it's 11 o'clock now. At 1 o'clock, we're gonna be doing our closing with our lawyer and stuff. So that's when we're actually gonna be owning the house. Frankie's actually outside now checking all the property out, but we are just so excited. We can't believe this day has come. I'm gonna set the camera down, but we got this little cute sign. We said yes to the address. I will leave the shop below if you guys are interested, but I just think this is so cute to, you know, take little announcement pictures with. We have to run the water, run all the appliances to make sure everything is working. Frankie, do you believe this is gonna be your garage? Make sure the thing's open. Okay, so we just did our entire walkthrough and now we are going to make our way to the lawyer and do our closing. So we're gonna leave out of the garage because the front door is locked. Come on, Frankie, let's go buy a house. So we're officially homeowners. Are you excited?
Yes.
And we are pulling up back now to our house. We're done with the closings. The first entry into our house as owners. Oh my God, the code worked. We have to definitely change those locks, so. Our realtor even brought us this little bottle of rosé to just like say congratulations and celebrate. Yeah, we're so excited and we're gonna like have a couple people over, not like friends, like really just both of our families over, and we are gonna order some pizzas and we are just going to kind of like have a little celebration. Frankie already wants to get started working on this house. He wants to put a whole bunch of paint swatches on the wall. We actually went to get paint swatches like a couple days ago, so we would be able to get working as soon as possible, but we're gonna go put some paint swatches on the walls, on the cabinets, in the bedrooms. By that time, everybody should be here and we'll have pizza and we'll just celebrate. You're already getting swatches on the walls? Oh good, you're putting the initials of what they are. That would make sense, right?
We're gonna do 2 coats so you can see the obviously streaking.
Yeah. All of the paints that we're sampling are from Benjamin Moore. And obviously like I like light colors, but I swear they look all different in person. So now we got some pizzas here. We got like 3 pies and we're trying out a new pizzeria by our house. And then we think we're gonna go to the fire pit because all of our family's here now and we're gonna start a little fire. Okay, so it's a few days later and I'm about to show you an empty house tour. But it was really fun on our closing date because our families came over and we got to show them the house, and then we had pizza and we sat by our little fire pit in the back. And it turned out to be a really fun night. And I just wanted to mention, I'm not gonna obviously show the outside of the house just for like security and privacy reasons, but I'm gonna show you the whole inside and the backyard and stuff like that. We actually already painted almost all of the walls. I'm gonna be explaining the wall colors that we chose, like the entire like entertaining floor, the kitchen, dining, and living area, along with the kitchen cabinet colors because we redid those too. And we're currently picking colors for the bedrooms, and I'm gonna explain as I go which colors we used. But I hope you guys enjoy this little empty house tour. So I'm starting right at the front door. When you open it, you actually come to a little landing where you could either go upstairs or you could go downstairs. I am gonna go upstairs first. Over here, I think I'm gonna put something to like catch all the shoes, mostly like our everyday shoes or our guest shoes when they come. And then I'm gonna put like a little something to hold the mail and maybe hang the keys on. So it's easy, it's just like grab and go. But right when you walk up the stairs, you could either go straight into the kitchen, you could go down into the bedrooms, down the hallway, or you could go into the living room. So I'm gonna start with the living room. So we actually got a love sack couch, and I think we're gonna build it to go almost like an L. So it's gonna go against the railing, and then it's gonna go against this back wall and probably end at the windowsill. And we're probably gonna put our TV along this wall. We'll probably hang a TV, and then it'll be perfect from the couch view. But I like that this living room actually has a lot of light because of the big bay window, and then there's 2 windows on either side of the fireplace. But I also think I'm gonna put like either a chair there or maybe even like a plant of some sort. But I love the fireplace. It's my favorite part of the living room. I love like exposed brick or exposed stone in a home. So I think we're gonna eventually whitewash the fireplace. Obviously the brick, and make it white and gray, you know, like some contrast peeking through. But for now, I really do like this color that's here now. And then this shelf, I think we're gonna paint the same color we painted all of the walls, which is Gray Mist by Benjamin Moore. And it really just looks like a white with a hint of gray. It's not too dark. I really wanted something bright, so that's what we chose. And that's the fireplace. I actually have a candle up here. I'm gonna light it soon because this house like just smells like paint and like construction, because we've been working on a room that I'll show you in a minute. But I really just love the setup and how spacious it is. And then right next to the living room over here, so it's like right across from the steps, is the kitchen. That's actually the doorway that we just came through, but I absolutely love this kitchen because of how bright it is. We actually just redid and painted all the cabinetry, but we actually took all of the cabinet doors off. We painted the inside, we painted the doors, and we also got new hardware for the drawers. And I actually got these on Amazon. They're just like clear acrylic handles with a little satin brass detail on it. And it's so pretty. And we actually still have the longer ones to put on. I actually have one here, but it's just going to go on like that. And it's gonna look so cute. But we're probably gonna put these handles on tonight. And I actually love this countertop so much because it's granite, so I don't have to be afraid to like cut on it or put any hot items on it, like pots or food or anything like that. So it's extremely durable, and I love the color. It's like a gray and a white mixed together. It almost looks a little bit like marble, but it pairs so nicely with the cabinet color we chose, which is Benjamin Moore Dove Wing. And we also did Gray Mist on the walls, which looks really nice, complementing the countertops, because the countertops are gray and like a creamy white, which is exactly what the walls and the cabinets are. There's also like a lot of storage in the kitchen. There's like these big, huge drawers where I think I'm going to put my pots in and stuff like that, because it's right next to the stove, so it'll be easy access. But I'm just so excited to get all my stuff in this kitchen and start using it. So there's a lot of space right here, and what we're thinking of is putting an island in with a granite countertop and put some bar stools. So if we want to eat at the kitchen or just have extra seating and extra like working space when cooking, we think that's a really good idea, and we're probably gonna put an island in really soon. And this light's also not staying. We're probably gonna put 2 drop lights right over the island, and there's also like a whole bunch of ceiling lights, so there's a lot of lighting in there for now. And then right off the kitchen is the dining area. See, like there is the living room and I'm standing in the kitchen, so you could kind of see the layout. The chandelier the sellers actually left, which we aren't keeping. We're just waiting for the one we ordered to get in. This is actually our dining table, and Raymour and Flanagan delivered it like 2 days ago. And this is the only furniture that we currently have in the house, just because they delivered it early. So right off the kitchen over here, we have a sunroom, but it is completely under construction right now. But you could enter through the dining room or you could enter through the kitchen, and this is gonna lead out to the backyard. I'm not just gonna go in there right now because first of all, it's masked off, so no dust gets in the house, and the flooring is being redone, the doorway out to the back, and also the ceiling. We're gonna actually make it cathedral, which is gonna be really nice. I'll insert a picture right here of my inspiration for the sunroom. I'm really excited and eager to see how it's gonna turn out, but I'm most of all really excited to like furniture shop for the room and style it. But let's get on with the rest of the house. So right off the kitchen, there is the staircase again, but we have a coat closet. It's really spacious, so we'll probably put like all of our coats for the season in here, along with any of our guest coats or anything like that. And then right here, we have a linen closet. We'll probably just store like bath towels and extra sheets and stuff like that. But down the hallway here, I'm gonna go to the left first. This is the master bedroom, and I would put the light on, but we currently like don't have a light in here, which is weird, but we're gonna be putting one in. And we also have some swatches up on the wall right now, just because we're trying to decide our bedroom color. I know they look like all the same on the camera, but I promise they're different. So we have a window here and we have a window there. We're probably gonna put the headboard over there. So I'm standing where the bed would be, and we're probably gonna put a dresser over there, or maybe a TV somewhere, I don't know. But there's a lot of space over here too where I could put like a chest. We're definitely gonna take all the shades down and put curtains in throughout the whole house, but I haven't picked them out yet. And then we have our bathroom area. We have a nice big shower actually, and it just slides to open and close. I love that the material is almost like marble, and it has a built-in shelf, and this actually is a seat that folds down, and it's like a waterfall spout, so that's cool. And our vanity is really pretty too. It's like the gray marble. And we're definitely gonna put in like a new mirror and light fixture, maybe also some shelving against that wall. And then there's also a window here. There's the bathroom, and also we have a walk-in closet, which is so good. It has like so much storage. I already have some stuff in here, but I'm just like so excited because I've never had a walk-in closet before. I just want to comment really quickly on all of the like door handles and stuff in the house. It's like a matte black, and I'm pretty sure these are all brand new. I think they put all brand new doors in before we moved in, which is really nice. But I thought I wouldn't be a fan of the black knobs and handles, but I actually really like it, and I think it suits this house. So right across we have another bedroom. I'm probably going to turn this into like a beauty room. I'm gonna put all of my makeup in here, a nice big vanity, and I'm probably gonna film any future videos in this room because it just has like a lot of lighting in here. But we're also gonna be painting these bedrooms. I think today actually we're gonna start painting the bedrooms, but we'll probably just do like a light creamy white. And this room also has a nice big closet for storage. This house actually has a lot of storage. And then this is the third bedroom, which I think is gonna be the guest bedroom. There's like so much painting supplies and equipment over there because we've been using it. But this is actually a leaf for our dining room table. And it actually came in like a little slip case, which is nice. But we just keep it in here for now just because we're not using this room. This is actually gonna turn into our guest room, and we're obviously changing the color. It's probably gonna be white. And there's also closet storage over there, which is nice. But yeah, this is gonna be the guest bedroom. And actually down the hallway, right by the linen closet, there's actually another bathroom. So this is actually gonna be our guest bathroom. Really don't like it. We're gonna be completely redoing it, but it's fine for now. It's really spacious, so once we redo it, we're gonna really like it. But this is what our guests are gonna use, and it's nice because it's like right off the entertaining space. I'm gonna show you the downstairs. Down the stairs, and you either have the choice to go straight into the laundry room, or you could go into the garage, or you could go into the basement. But I'm gonna go into the laundry room first, and it's so nice because it has like a light that just comes on right away. But this laundry room is so incredibly big. It has a nice slop sink, which is good because we've been like painting and stuff and like washing the brushes in there. But I have big plans for this laundry room. I'll insert like an inspo picture right here, but obviously there's gonna be like a wall put up behind there. I actually just got our brand new washer and dryer delivered yesterday from Home Depot. They are by LG, and the reviews are like really good, so I'm excited to use them. But again, this whole wall is gonna be closed back here, and I like that there's like a lot of shelving. This is all my stuff that I bought from Home Goods. Actually, I'm gonna be doing a haul, so there's just like so much of that there, but I had like nowhere else to put it, so I put it in here. But this whole laundry room is gonna have such a transformation, and I'm so excited to get like those little laundry signs and stuff to put all in this room. And then actually the stairs are right here, and under the other stairs we just have like a closet. I'm not gonna open it. And then if you go left here, this is actually our basement. Our old washer and dryer is actually there. Someone needs to come pick it up. But we wanna turn this into like a movie hangout room. I don't know, we have like visions of what we want to create, but we're just happy that there's a lot of space here for us to do it in this room. And we probably are gonna be putting a fireplace, like either a wood burning stove or pellet stove or something like that here for the winter. And it's nice that there's already stone here, that we don't have to like build stone or anything for that to sit on. But that is the basement. And then across the hall is just the attached garage. And it's really just like empty for now. We've been putting like random stuff in here. We actually got our TV stand delivered today, so that's what that huge box is. I can't wait to open it up and see what it looks like. And then I actually have my makeup vanity in here. Frankie has to like put that together, but we've just been keeping stuff like that in here. But yeah. So out of the sunroom, we actually have a deck right off of it where we're gonna put like a nice grill right here and then an outdoor patio set so we could eat dinner out here. This deck's actually big enough for the grill and the patio set to both go on here, but we might like put it on the gravel if we get a bigger one. But we're probably gonna put all pretty flowers and plants here. There's like these nice big planters that they left. And I also love the side of the property because there's all these pretty hedged trees. And then right off the deck is a little trail that goes up into the yard. And every time I walk up this, it honestly reminds me of like a little enchanted forest. But we have a shed right here. And then if we continue up the path, there's like a whole bunch of flat land here where we could have like parties and barbecues and stuff like that. And also if you go over here, it's actually set up for us to plant a little garden, which is so cute. And then as I showed before, the trees continue all the way back to the fence, which leads to the garage. And then this is Frankie's detached garage. And look how big this thing is. It's literally like massive. And this is his like dream to have a garage this size. And over here he has like a whole, what would you even call that? Like a crafts?
Big workbench.
It's like a big workbench with like shelving and yeah. But that's his whole detached garage that he's so excited about. And the best thing is about this garage is we actually have a separate entrance from the road just specifically for this garage. But it's so good because we have like so much parking if we ever want to have parties or like barbecues or anything like that. We have a stone fire pit that is going to be so fun to like put big Adirondack chairs around and have like fires and stuff with our friends and our family. It's so nice that we have all this land so we could entertain. But we're just so excited and we absolutely love it. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little house tour. We are so excited to start moving our stuff in. We're gonna be getting furniture deliveries over the next couple days. And I think I'm gonna be doing a whole separate video on all of our furniture, touring it and going into detail of each piece. As you probably saw, I didn't go into that much detail about the dining room table because I'm gonna do a whole video dedicated to all of my furniture. I wanted to mention that my next video is going to be a huge home goods haul. It's gonna be a little bit of a collective haul. I literally just bought so much stuff from Home Goods. I was so excited when they opened back up. It was like just in time. So I'm gonna be sharing that next, and I'm also gonna be doing another giveaway in that video. So be on the lookout for that. If you guys enjoyed this video and you are looking forward to more home related videos, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. But that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll see you in my next one.